We are pleased to introduce the PBCi Support Desk, an efficient way for our PBCi, Bluebeam, and PBCi code clients to submit maintenance requests, place service inquiries, and report issues. Through the PBCi Support Desk, you can now submit some common requests, such as content updates or other maintenance on your website, web hosting and web design inquiries, PBCi code student, power users, and affiliate support, and many other PBCi support requests. We're excited to offer this service to our clients. Having access to the support desk means 24/7 portal access, convenient support ticket updates right to your inbox, handy help articles for your reference, and direct and transparent communication with our support desk team. Using the PBCi Support Desk portal is quick and easy. Visit support.pbciusa.com. Sign in with the credentials that have been provided to your organization. Click Submit a Ticket and enter the ticket details. It's that simple. The PBCi support team will communicate with you regarding your ticket via the support desk portal, email, or phone until it's resolved. In the PBCi Support Desk portal, you can view all tickets submitted by your organization, including the ticket details, statuses, and resolutions. Communicate with our support desk agents, and refer to help articles and FAQ to answer some common questions and get help with troubleshooting. You may be wondering, when can I start using the portal? The great news is that the PBCi Support Desk is live and ready to use. The primary contact for your organization has been sent the login credentials to access the portal. Simply visit support.pbciusa.com to sign in and get started. If you have questions or want to browse FAQ and help articles, please visit the support desk portal at support.pbciusa.com. If you still have questions, email us at support@pbciusa.com or call the support desk at 770-281-7576. We look forward to continuing to be of service.